my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. So for today's video, if you follow my Instagram, which if you don't, I will leave it in the description, you definitely need to go give me a follow because I've got so many exciting things that happen over there. However, if you have seen my Instagram story, you'll know that I have got a very exciting parcel on my bed, and as you'll be able to tell by the thumbnail and the title, today is one of my favourite unboxings I've ever done so far today, and I treated myself to a new iPad. So I'm super excited about this. So I went on the Apple website because my current iPad, which I'll show you now, is honestly so old. I've had it for like 4 or 5 years. It's the iPad mini. It looks a bit like this. It is very trusty, it's done me well, but it's so slow now. And this is the case that I got with it. And I am really grateful for it, and I do use it all the time. However, because it's so old, the software capability is not up to scratch anymore. I can't download BritBox, Disney Plus, any of my favourite apps. So I just thought, you know what, I'm going to have a look on the Apple website, because if I ever buy any Apple products, like an iPad or a laptop, like was on my wish list, then I'm going to buy it straight from Apple, because then I know it's legit and everything. And I saw that they do sort of a payment scheme through Barclays, and it's 2 years, and I pay back £18 a month, which I think is really good. And they had an offer on where you don't pay any interest. So where this iPad costs £449, you could pay up to like 600 plus pounds on top of that as interest. However, they had an offer where that is not the case, which I thought, you know what, I'm going to snap this up while I can. So yeah, please do not be fooled. I did not buy this outright. I wish I could have done, but it was just more financially able for me to do it if I paid monthly for it. So this is the parcel. I've covered my address and everything, but it came, I got tracking information, which was really helpful. And yeah, I'm just really excited about this, and I'm going to set it up on camera for you because I did a poll and everyone wanted to see me do an unboxing. So that is what I'm going to do. And this is a very special purchase as well, because I thought if I'm going to do this, if I'm going to take the step and sort of splurge in a way, I'm going to make it special, and I've dedicated this purchase, an iPad, to my granddad. I got it engraved because it was a free option. So, oh my god, look at this. Oh my god, it's stuck. Is it meant to be stuck? I don't know. Is it meant to be pulled out? There we go. Oh my god. Ah, that's why. This is so exciting. Like, for some people this might not be exciting, but for me, look. So I got this iPad 7th generation Wi-Fi edition. So I know you can get Wi-Fi and 4G. I just got Wi-Fi because that's all I need it for, you know. And it's 128 gigabytes of storage. I was going to get the one lower storage, but it was £339, which is £100 cheaper. But I just thought I'd rather have, you know, the sort of like, I don't know how to explain it, I just rather have more storage, and for £100 more, I didn't think it was too bad through the monthly instalments, because the smaller storage iPad, the smaller storage capacity was £14 a month, and this one was 18, so I just thought for an extra £4, I can't go wrong. So yeah, I got the gold, like rose gold, which I'm really happy about, and it says obviously includes iPad, Lightning to USB cable and USB power adapter. But yeah, oh my god, I'm just so excited about this, because as I said, my other one was just so slow and I just needed an upgrade. And obviously I pay it off in 2 years, and then obviously I can get myself a new one if I want to. Oh my god, oh my lord, this is crazy. Okay, so, oh beautiful, okay, that's cool. And then it's got, right, okay, because I've never bought myself an iPad, in case some of you are thinking, why the hell are you, oh, how on earth did that go in? No. There you go, like that. Look at that. And then, I'm going to cover it, but I'm covering the date of his birthday, but that says Grandad, and then it has his birthday underneath. But look how cute that is, and it's got a touchscreen button. I don't know whether it will turn on or whether it'll probably need charge, which I can do, and then I'll come back and film the rest. Oh no, it is. Okay, and then I've got another cable which is perfect. And then charger, so I'm assuming that. Ah, look at that. It's very new, so just bear with me. I know I'm not a tech whiz or anything. Okay, so I'm going to choose obviously English, United Kingdom, just setting the language. I know you can't probably see that very well. Okay, if your other iPhone or iPad doesn't show options for setting the iPad, make sure it's running iOS or it's Bluetooth turned on. You can also start this app. So I've sorted out the Wi-Fi, it took a while. Continue. So I'm now gonna just take off the plastic protection. I know probably so many more professional YouTubers do a better setting up video. Okay, so now I'm gonna, because I haven't transferred data or anything, so I don't want to use up all my storage on my iPad already, so I'm just gonna re-download the apps, and I'm now gonna log into my Apple ID because, you know, got to be done. So sorry for the glare, but it's taken a while to set up some of the key details, so I'm just gonna keep that up to enable location devices, or not maybe. Oh, it's loading. Oh, so I've just set up Apple Pay. Continue with iCloud keychain. Siri, set up later. Screen time, continue, because that's really helpful. Don't share. I don't really like sharing things. Appearance, I'm going to go with dark for now. Or maybe light. Which one? Which one do you guys prefer? I know obviously you can't help me right now, but dark? I think dark actually. For now, quick access to dock, continue. Perfect. Oh, look at that. How crazy is that? Edit home screen. So I'm going to delete GarageBand, Keynote. So, as you can see, I am ordering a case. When I get paid, it's going to be a marble one to protect it, obviously, and I'm going to clean it because now it's got obviously all my fingerprints. What's files? Okay, I'm going to delete that as well. Delete stocks. I have now downloaded quite a few apps on my iPad. Honestly, like, this is just so pretty. I would show you my lock screen, but I don't know whether my friends would want to be shown. So I've got this picture. Let's see if I can look at the brightness up on this thing. There we go. Don't know how well you can see that. It's my favourite picture of me and my grandma. I want to get it on a canvas, printed that way as well. But I've got some apps sorted down here. Don't know why I've got, I think they're my like recently used. I've got YouTube Studio down here. I've got Dominoes, shopping. I've got Boots, Amazon Beauty Bay, and PayPal. I need to set them up. House Party, Facebook Messenger, and TikTok. And then I've got BritBox, Disney Plus, and Netflix, which ones I need to set up. So yeah, and most of my photos have transferred. A lot of them are on iCloud, as you can see, like this, from my YouTube videos and stuff, and advertising. It's a bit blurry, but Katie from Love Island, she uses HelloBody as well. So, but yeah, so I've fully set this up now. I'm not going to use it until I've got my iPad case because I just don't want to risk it. So I'm going to keep it in the box. But yeah, so in case you're wondering, obviously you get inside you get the cable, which is really handy. You get the plug. You also get this, which I think, okay, so you get more stickers, which to me, I'm not bothered about. A manual, instructions and stuff like that. Keep it all in place, and I probably will use this as a storage because these are really good. I don't use the bottom bits because you can't get that out without ripping the box, whereas this, definitely reuse them if you buy yourself an Apple product because they're really good. A lot of people use them for makeup storage, all that kind of thing. I will find use for it. my iPad unboxing. I'm super happy with it. Keep up to date with my vlogs and Instagram, because I will show you my new case when I get it, when I get paid, which is in a week's time. But yeah, that is my iPad unboxing, and I'm so excited about it. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I've also got a giveaway, which I'm going to insert at the very end once I've had a bit of a chat with you now. So keep tuned for that. But basically, I just want to say I'm really grateful for the fact that I could do this. I'm not trying to brag or boast in any way, shape or form. I did a poll on Instagram. People wanted to see this because I did an unboxing for my iPhone X, which I will link in the description for you. And I'm a very keen lover of Apple products. I just love them so much. And I never thought I'd be able to do this, but with the payment scheme, it was amazing. So yeah, and I'm being very honest about that. I have not bought it outright. Part of me wishes I could have done, but £449 for me to take out straight away when I've been paid just wouldn't leave me with, it'd leave me with a bit left, but obviously I want to do other stuff with my money, and paying it off monthly for 2 years is absolutely fine by me. I'm actually going to show you for reference the size difference, because it is crazy. Like, don't get me wrong, I was so shocked when I got this iPad, and I'm still so grateful for it, you know. But so let's just have a look. So this is my original iPad. It looks a bit like this. I wasn't going to keep it, but you know what, I think I am, just for the memories. It's really dirty. No one is going to want it because it's just so old. But yeah, and then obviously got this one, which is the 7th generation. I can't remember whether I've mentioned that or not. This is a 7th generation iPad. Look at the size difference. Like, that is insane. I cannot wait to properly use this for like Netflix and stuff like that. I'm gonna clean the screen in a minute. I will keep this because it's got memories, you know, and it's my first ever iPad, but I definitely think that is a lot prettier, a lot nicer, and it won't keep crashing on me, fingers crossed. So yeah, but thank you so much for watching, and then keep your eyes peeled now for the next clip, which is going to include a giveaway. This is the giveaway section of this video. I'm trying to give back as much as possible to you guys. So this is basically a W7 based mini giveaway, but there is an extra product, as you can see, that is not W7. So I know obviously at the moment it's a really hard time, and I know this might not be much to some people, but I just want to kind of brighten up people's day and stuff if I can, and I know there's so many makeup lovers that watch my channel. So the products included in this giveaway is this brand new and sealed, oh it's not sealed, but this brand new W7 Triple Threat Blusher set. This W7 Seduced palette, which is brand new, never been touched, and such gorgeous packaging. And then this, which is from the Pound Shop, as you can see, but it's all sealed, completely hygienic. And then it is the W7 Tinted Kiss Tinted Nourishing Lip Oil. I've got one of these myself and I absolutely love it. It has been used once or twice, but it's still in good condition. It is a mini of the Too Faced Peach and Mist Mattifying Setting Spray. I did check with people when I decluttered this if people were still happy for it to be in a giveaway, and everyone was like, yeah, please do. I think it's a great way of trying a more expensive item of makeup for free, and also, you know, in a giveaway. It's a great idea and a great prize. So these are the 4 items that you can win. The way you can enter is making sure you're subscribed to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments what Apple products you have, or if you don't have any Apple products, what Apple products you would like, why you'd like them, or why you like the products you've got. Or if you don't have any Apple, you don't have any intention of buying any Apple products, what are your favourite like technology pieces, you know, because I like having inspiration to maybe save up and buy myself. So yeah, just let me know down below. And yeah, there's a week, you've got a week to enter, to tell your friends, your family, whoever you want about it, because as soon as this video is uploaded, you've got a week, and then I will announce the winner. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next vlog or video, whichever one you watch first. Bye.